The Kenya Revenue Authority wants to collect all unpaid taxes from members of parliament and other constitution office holders. A senior KRA official today gave MPs and other officials 1 month to declare all tax arrears due for collection. Simply put, the officials owe taxpayers 10 months worth of accrued taxes on allowances that were previously untaxed, and not even the 10th Parliament, known for its aversion for complete taxation, can escape the taxman.
The only legal avenue that can stop what you are doing is a recourse to the courts. There is no other legal option. We do not even have an option not to collect. I think there is that wrong presumption out there that we have a legal presumption not to collect this tax. We have to collect it.
Njiraini added that enforcement action, which could include the seizure of property, would be taken against defaulters. 11 constitutional offices will be affected in addition to MPs. They are the Attorney General, Chief Justice, Appeal Court and High Court judges, the Auditor General, the Public Service Commission Chairman, Deputy Chair and members, also the Interim Independent Electoral Commission. All these offices have received letters asking for compliance. The judiciary has responded and will be meeting the KRA next week.
What really this does is that it levels the playing field, because this is what exactly every other Kenyan has been facing. I think technically we would be looking at payments that are made post the referendum and the promulgation of the Constitution. So payments made from September.
The president, who enjoys absolute privilege and is not even taxed on basic salary, is also expected to pay up. But it is MPs who will bear the brunt of the new rule, as KRA is seeking to tax every last penny that is considered income, including pension and the lump sum amounts that MPs are entitled to when their terms end.
We are now seeking to tax everything, including, very importantly, the amount that they get to purchase a motor vehicle, which amounts to 3.3 million shillings. Tax on that alone is 1 million shillings.
The tax collector has given a 30-day period for declarations by MPs, which gives lawmakers and the rest about a month to comply. The taxman says it will be better for Parliament to deal with the matter amicably, as enforcement will surely come.
Possibly we are talking of the beginning of August is when we will be seeing enforcement action.
KRA has written letters to all the concerned parties asking for cooperation and insists that this is in line with Constitution implementation. It has also denied breaching a previous agreement with MPs that they could carry on with their term without taxation, saying it was based on advice from the Attorney General. Deputy Speaker Farah Maalim says MPs will pay.
The contacts we have had lately with the Commission on the implementation of the Constitution did indicate, and they have expressed themselves in public, that Article 210 was operational and that it was not suspended and it had to be implemented. This contradicted the opinion that the Attorney General gave in July last year.
Where I sit myself, Parliament has no choice but to live with the fact that members of Parliament will have to pay taxes.
Only 2 members of Parliament out of the 221 who are currently in the August House are tax compliant.